This is not my natural state. Alright, we're recording. I'm finally using my mic on this trip. My voice is slightly back. We're half there. I just got to my Airbnb. I'm very excited about it. The one thing though that's kind of a deal breaker for me, for some reason, there's no bidet here. Not what I was expecting in a Japanese apartment at all, so we'll make do. But yeah, so let me show you the whole apartment. Welcome to Japan. I don't even know what style video this is going to be, but I feel like now that I'm in an Airbnb and not a hotel, I actually have the space to film. I really didn't want to film when I was in a hotel. I am a little nervous, self-conscious because my host and his family live downstairs, so I just don't want to be loud. I hope I'm not a loud person. My neighbor's back in New York. They have complained about me just because of the way I walk. I don't think I'm loud otherwise, but I think I might be a loud walker. So wish me luck. Maybe my cough will keep them up. I guess I should wrap up what I've been doing. I just got to Kichijoji. Technically this Airbnb is not in Kichijoji, but it's pretty close. It's one station away, so it's not a very far walk. It's a 20-minute walk to Inokashira Park. For lunch today, I went to one of my favorite places, perhaps my favorite place in Japan, which is Where is a Dog Cafe. And it is called Where is a Dog. It's because they have a cat theme. And I didn't realize that till I actually got there, but I love it. Got my favorite sandwich. Saw the same old man there that I saw last year, who's just very nice. I think I'm gonna go back there now to get a little dessert because they don't serve their cafe desserts till after 3, and it was 12:30 when I went. So I'm gonna go back there, get a little dessert, also get a loaf of bread to bring back here because I'll be in this Airbnb for a week and I want to have some groceries. That's what I'm doing today. We are back. This is too high. This might be better. I'm still like having to go up like that. All right, that's decent enough. Okay, I just got back from being out. I got another one of these things. This one is slightly different from the ones that I've been drinking. I got it from Family Mart. Not as good as the ones I get from 7-Eleven in Lawson. Anyway, I went grocery shopping and I had a really good time somehow. First, I went back to Where is a Dog. As you saw, I got pancakes. They were very good. The people there are very nice. I also got a loaf of bread slice. This is their French bread. I like their regular like Japanese square style bread more, but they didn't have any of that right now, so I might go back later. And then I went to a grocery store called BioRao. I don't know if that's how you say it or not, but that's where I went. And they had so many gluten-free foods. It was insane. So I guess this is going to be a gluten-free video. I also got some regular food because while I'm here, I don't want to just be eating out all the time. I want to like save money and make food at home. So here's what I got. I was very distracted by all of the gluten-free treats. So this is a bit of a haul. I've never done a haul. I've never done a video before. At this point of filming, I have not uploaded anything yet. So this is all very new to me. So I was very distracted by all of the goodies that I saw. So it's not all just groceries, but I was ecstatic. So I was not expecting to find a grocery store that had so many good looking things. Things that I need to be putting in the fridge actually. So we'll start with those. This is like the BioRao brand. Yeah, BioRao. This is a gluten-free choux cream. Choux cream. I'm gonna have this maybe now. But then they also had the BioRao chocolate eclair. And I also got these Zenbi breads. One that's, I can't read the kanji on this, but I'm assuming it's 3 seeds. And then this one is just a cacao, so chocolate bread. Also got, not gluten-free specific, but strawberries and mushrooms. I got the mushrooms because I'm gonna make pasta. I got 2 different types of pasta sauce. Didn't really know what the difference was because they're both tomato-based. I think this one has more veggies in it or something, and this one's extra tomato-y. Not sure. I didn't really know which one to get, so I got both. Oh, also these were gluten-free, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure these were gluten-free. Does it say? Oh, you know what? Maybe these aren't gluten-free. But they were like in the same area as gluten-free stuff. So I thought that they were safe. I'm gonna have to look at the ingredients again. But some kind of like nice little cookie with powdered sugar on it. You know, if they aren't gluten-free, that's fine, because I got other good treats too, and there were even more there that I didn't buy. So, oh well. And then I got gluten-free pasta and cottage cheese. There were 2 different types, one in blue and one in red. The one in red was uragoshi type, and I guess uragoshi means strained. So this is like a strained cottage cheese. I don't know, it looks extra creamy in the picture, whereas this looks more like a crumbled feta. So I guess that's the difference. I just got both because I was like, I don't know which one I like more. And then I got some Hokkaido butter. Where's the, oh, I also got curry. I don't think I showed that. And I made sure this had no wheat in it. This one is a curry made with chickpea flour. So I'm gonna put away some of these things in the fridge. You know what I didn't get that I should have? Proper napkins. I don't think there are napkins here. I think just tissues, but all right. I want to try this choux cream. That's nice. Okay. Can I get this to focus on the choux cream? And they had a bunch of gluten-free breads too. And I couldn't tell what the difference was between any of them. And I panicked and didn't buy any of them. I also figured I have this. What if the other ones that you get at the store aren't good? That cream is so good. I've never had real choux cream before. So I can't really like compare and say how good this is. Choux cream, cream puff, same thing. But the pastry part is good. It's good enough. I would get it again. Totally. Okay. Good job, Binaural. Okay. Oishikatta desu. Now I'm gonna wash some strawberries and have some cottage cheese. I wanna try that too. So I put my sweater back on because it's cold in here and I'm waiting for the heater to kick up. I want to snack on some strawberries. Let's see what they got in here. Are there plates? There are plates, there are knives, and there are paper towels. Perfect. Everything we need is in here. We got the knife. We got a cutting board. And we got our strawberries. How much were these? 638 yen, which actually, because these look pretty good, right? You would eat these, right? You would spend 700 yen on these, right? I feel like I've seen strawberries go for more, so I hope that these are good. I don't know why I'm cutting them. That's a good strawberry. That's a good strawberry. Oishii ichigo. That's pretty dang good. So we're on a roll here. Good cream puff, good strawberry. Now I want to try the cottage cheese. Let's see if my luck still holds. I was reading on Reddit that the cottage cheese here is drier. Oh, and right they were. Look at this. Oh, that is dry. That's like feta, but like without the liquid in the feta. Someone said that they put just some water in it, and that made it better. So let me try that. Should I give it a taste test first without the pre-water? That's really dry. Let's put some water in. The taste is actually good. It's just very dry. Yeah, you're now just watching me mix cottage cheese. This is the content that everyone was expecting when I said I was gonna make vlogs in Japan. Cottage cheese mixing. Okay, it's better, but it's not good culture. There she is. That oh, family members are gonna be weirded out by this one. All the family members who hate cottage cheese. Sorry if I triggered you. Alright, my camera battery is gonna die. I don't know what else to do in this video. We'll see.